Hello, welcome back to my channel, where I'm documenting my journey to strong, healthy nails. So here are my nails and what's left of the style from last week. If you watched to the very end of the previous video, when I did the newspaper design, you saw how one night of sleep ruined my freshly done nails. So I ended up redoing my nails with the same color, but without the design. I didn't wait the 2 weeks to redo my nails like last time, and I'm glad. They're definitely looking atrocious. And plus I realized I get bored with the style after a few days, so I don't want to wait another week. I'm gonna start off with removing the old nail polish. I'm gonna file my nails now just to make sure they're all one nice even round shape. So on this hand, my pointer finger is really struggling, almost like the nail is peeling. I don't get how all the other nails could be doing so good except this one. Moving on, I'm applying the base coat. So just like the pointer finger on my left hand, the middle finger and the thumbnail on my right hand seem to be struggling as well. Like the nail is peeling on these ones too, which is so weird because all the other nails are fine. Maybe I need to start taking vitamins. I've taken multivitamins and those hair, skin, and nail vitamins in the past, but I don't really know if they made a difference in the health of my hair, nail, or skin. So I don't know if that'll help my nails. To begin with the first coat, I'm using Undaunted by Mischo Beauty. Do I have an inspiration for today's design? Well, if you consider masking underperforming nail health an inspiration, then that's it. What I typically do when some of my nails are growing while others are stunted is that I'll just trim them all down really low and just start the growth process all over. Otherwise, I feel like it just looks foolish with half short and half long nails between the two hands. But then I'll just end up feeling frustrated as my nails break off and chip one right after the other, as if they were the main characters of a Final Destination movie. Quite sad indeed. But really, I've been so happy with the length of my nails, I just don't want to say goodbye yet. So instead of doing my usual, I'm just gonna paint the struggle nails of both hands with 2 full coats of polish. And that's it. Nothing special will be done to those nails. Here's how the struggle nails came out. I decided to do the ring finger on my left hand as well, just so that I could match the 2 on my right hand. Now I'm just gonna cut some strips of tape so I can complete the half and half style on the remaining nails. I'm placing the tape on half of the nail so I can paint the exposed half. I'm really liking how my nails are coming out so far. And I'm happy I went with this color for this particular style. The blue is so light and bright. It just makes me feel good. I'm gonna finish the polishing process with the top coat now. Truthfully, I was a bit doubtful at first with this style, but everything went well, and my nails look so good. So I'm gonna keep moisturizing and protecting my nails and be optimistic that my struggle nails will catch up with their superior brethren. Maybe next week I'll have good news about them. And for the final step, applying the cuticle oil and massaging it in. And there we have it. That was today's style. Thanks for tagging along with me and my few struggle nails today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'll be back next Wednesday.